What's up, queens? What's up, gents? In this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how I achieved these braids known as dookie braids, box braids, whatever you want to call them. For this hairstyle I used, how many packs of hair did I use? I used 16 packs of hair, but I only paid for 12 packs of hair. One of my clients, she left me some Kanekalon hair, and then at the store I was able to get 2 free. So in all I used 16 packs of Kanekalon braiding hair. I used every bit of it for these braids. How many braids? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. I have 22 braids in my hair. So 16 packs of hair got me 22 braids. It took me about, honestly, I would say 4 hours non-stop, maybe 4.5 hours. And I say that because I started on them last night, but I didn't have enough hair and I was procrastinating. I was tired, didn't want to finish, so I started back today. Did them today, and then I ran out of hair again, so I had to go get more hair. And so I would say no more than 5 hours to do this amount of braids. I decided to go ahead and do them myself instead of paying someone, because everybody in Georgia honestly just overpriced for everything. So I was like, I'm just gonna do it myself. This is my first time doing them. I think I did really good for my first time. So yeah, and you know what, now that I realized that I'm done, I was intending to put this wrap setting lotion stuff on it. I don't know, I honestly don't know why people put this on their braids, but I see other people do it, so I bought some to put on mine. So don't really know what it's gonna do for them, but we will see, and I will get back with y'all on the next video. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, let me know what I can do to improve my videos. I mean, I'm a new YouTuber, so any advice helps. So yeah, stay tuned and let me know. Drop it in the comments. Okay, so right here is just where I'm showing you how you would take the hair out the packaging, and I am just finger combing the hair. And it's important to finger comb the hair because when you begin to braid, you want the end of your braids to be thin. And that's just how I'm showing you right here, because no one wants thick ends like how people would burn them. No, we want thin ends. So it's very important to just finger comb the braiding hair. It helps to get all the tangles out, and it just makes this braiding process so much easier. So I'm just continuing to do that method, and I will also show you guys how it's going to look when I do begin to start braiding.